Peanut butter, right there. Here's where you want to be. All right. You guys want to be right here with this technique. You guys want to be able to block and stop the person with your hand. So if they're coming in very aggressive, you can always use this move. You simply check and punch at the same time. You want to lift it up higher. This is an advanced technique that you only pretty much learn in Holland. You want to keep this hand by your face, right here. Okay? So the way you guys want to drill this, I'm going to stand the other way so you guys can see both sides. The way you guys want to drill this is from here, just move, 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 and as soon as you throw a jab, just like in boxing, the only difference is you're also going to check same time. Okay? You want to bring your shoulder up. That's one of the differences between boxing and kickboxing. One of the differences between boxer and kickboxer is the shoulder. The shoulder. The shoulder in boxing a lot of times is kept here because they don't gotta worry about getting kicked. They can stay more relaxed, have a wider stance, and throw shots with the shoulder a bit more relaxed so you get more speed. But with kickboxing, a lot of times you gotta lift up your shoulder, which tenses up the shoulders a little bit. But this way, kick me. If you get head kicked while you're throwing a punch, it's hard for them to connect. Look, connect, bam. But if you're here like a boxer, you're gonna get head kicked. Okay? So in this one in particular, you do want to do that. You want to lift up your shoulder when you jab and your knee at the same time. From here. He's gonna drill this now so you guys can see it. Okay? You, I. Okay? What is he doing wrong is he's stepping. Come here. No stepping. Kijk. Kijk. Here. See that? Look. You guys want to take a step with the back leg. You guys can practice it only here in the beginning. You guys can do that, but he's more advanced. So I'm trying to get him to step with it. Look. Okay, dus niet. Nee, okay? From here. So from here, you're gonna step with the back leg. You're gonna step with the back leg and go in towards with the shot. Yeah. Alle drie tegelijk. All three, same time. Alle drie tegelijk. Kijk. Yes. Goed. Yes. Yes. And finish. All the way. Into it. Okay? Go. Sneller still. Fast. Yes, that was better. That was better. A lot better. A lot better. Okay? Go. I'm gonna kick you. Okay? Come on. Go close. Dichterbij. Wacht. Wacht op mij. Nee. No, wacht op mij. Yes. Go through me. Hard. Yes, go. Another mistake. You guys don't want to lift up your foot like this. Okay? Foot down. So you want to be here. Lift it up. If your foot is like that, you can take the risk of getting kicked in the toes. So make sure you guys lift up, put your foot down when you're checking. Okay? Okay. Nou, sneller. Oké. Stoot. Ja, jij. Blijf te lang. Oké? Sneller. So faster. You guys want to do the job faster. So what? Kijk. Kijk Ali. Only look. Okay? Bring it back right away. Yeah. Don't stay there too long. Here. Same thing with the leg. You want to be fast. You're right here. Okay? In some instances, you guys may want to do a push punch, but you guys don't want to make that a habit. Only if you actually really want to push the person back to throw in a kick. You should still focus on speed. I'm always trying to focus on speed, guys. I can't stress that enough. This technique is so important. If you know this, you have an advantage over all other kickboxers because most don't practice this. Your foot flat. Flat, yes. Just because I'm in a good mood and he's doing it really well, I'm going to give you guys a bonus move after this one. I wasn't going to do this, but I'm going to do this after the next round he does. I'm going to give you guys a bonus one. I didn't expect him to do it this good, actually. He's doing it pretty good. The foot. Forget the foot, okay? Go. Go back. Niet eerst zo. Oké? Hier eerst. Oké? Go. Je hebt geen tijd daarvoor. Kom hier. Kom hier. Nee, wacht. Blijf. Ik ga eerst. I'm gonna go first. I'm just gonna kick him. He doesn't know. He can't really hear. He's a little deaf, so he can't hear. So he doesn't know what I'm telling you guys right now. Because you guys are wondering why this video is a little bit weird to communication. Eerst dit, niet eerst dat. You feel too long. That's too long. One more time. Yes, go. Yes, beter. Oh, much better. Okay, one more. I'm have to do one more time with him, guys. He needs to really get it right before I go to the second move. I'm stepping on his foot now, so I just move it first. All right, now on your own, go. Yes, good. Yes. Okay, next move, bonus move, okay? You guys, you're here with this one. Now another one you can do, this is one of my favorite ones, I do this one a lot, especially when I spar, okay? Instead of doing this with the jab, you can do the same thing, only difference is you're gonna move your upper shoulder with it, you're gonna keep this hand up here, and you're gonna do a cross with the foot up here. So you're right here, watch. Moeilijk, this is hard, okay? Gewoon te proberen. Ja. Kijk, look. Kijk naar die gaat ook mee. Kijk. You guys have to go from the difference is this. With the first one, you guys can stay in this position. With this one, you must turn the back foot and this one with this punch. So as soon as you're going up, you want to twist this with it and go forward. Watch. Okay? Yes, good. And the foot down. Good. No, that hand. Oh, okay, he's doing both. Good. Okay, now you're gonna do both. Right here. Aim twee. You're right here. And then the second one. Go. Go, do it again. Good. Okay, remember guys, I'm the one that showed this video first, this technique first on YouTube. Because I know people are going to start copying on maybe Gabriel Vargas or other YouTubers who never really showed this technique, because honestly, if you don't come to Holland, you won't learn this. Dutch people, like, we're very like, I'll give you guys an example. When I wanted to fight here, nobody really wanted to help me when I first got here, because they're like, the Dutch people really don't like people, outsiders, to get good or better than them. So they're not really, Dutch people are not really much into spreading this information around for views or for whatever. They really do it more to actually train and fight, and people who fight are not really into all this trying to get fame with views, with making special videos or whatever. And American people don't know this stuff. Like they'll never learn it because they never come here. And I've already seen some people copying, like let's say, the way I drilled, the way I show how to drill, taking low kicks and all that. I've seen fight tips like copy it and say things like, oh, you know, well, you need to learn how to take the low kick. That's what we drill it. And then I see a guy doing this. I literally see people doing this. This is so stupid, guys. We never drill like this in Holland. Why not? Because it's just an unrealistic way of standing. If you're just standing here in place doing this, all you're doing is making your leg. You're gonna condition it, but in a wrong, stupid way. You're gonna condition the leg, but you're gonna build wrong habits. And you don't want wrong habits. This is why when we drill in Holland, you know, we don't do it this way. We do it from a distance, in a realistic way. Like if I throw a jab, you're gonna do this. Cover. Okay, if I throw a jab from here, then I throw a low kick. This is a basic drilling. Boom, boom. He takes it. Take it, okay? He takes it. That's how we drill it, okay? We're not gonna be like sounding like an idiot. Blah, blah. It's not a Van Damme movie, okay? It's not kickboxing. You're not kicking a damn tree. That's just stupid. The way you should drill is with gloves on, doing realistic shots. The other person's gonna block him the way you block him in a fight. Take the kick, okay? But you should always take it from a hook, from a jab, by itself from the distance. If you're gonna do it like that, if he was gonna actually train it like that, they should be doing it like this. Step, kick, and come back. But instead they're standing there like morons, just beating the hell out of their legs. This is fight tips I'm talking about. It's just one example. I'm gonna be making more of these videos, exposing a little bit and showing how things are really done, okay? You guys should watch the next video up here. In this video, I'm gonna show a technique. It's almost like a secret that nobody knows and everybody's doing wrong. So click on that one and till the next video.